Hey guys, Thunder E here and welcome to our speaker test of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I know some of you have been asking for this video, so here it is. And if you're watching us for the very first time, we do videos like this, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get more specific videos on devices that you love. Now, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is, of course, the latest in the Note line. It comes with a massive 6.1-inch display. We had rumors that it would have its speakers built into the display. That is not the case. It is a stereo speaker setup, and what you have here is a small slit at the very top, right above the front-facing camera, and you have a bottom-firing speaker next to the S Pen. So that's what you have with this device. There is no headphone jack, just to reiterate that. So you've got to use Bluetooth audio. But we'll be comparing this device to other top-tier devices, which will include the OnePlus 7 Pro, the iPhone XS Max, the Huawei P30 Pro, the LG G8, and of course the Galaxy S10 Plus. To see how well it sounds compared to all those, we'll be measuring in decibels, and I'll give you my thoughts on how it sounds and which sounds the best, at least in my opinion. You guys can chime in too. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump in and listen. So we took a listen to all of the smartphones, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus ranges in at 104 decibels. Sounds really good too. Dolby Atmos built in there. I would say it ranks in about third after, of course, the Galaxy S10 Plus, 106. The Huawei P30 Pro at 104.7 decibels, and the LG G8, when it's placed on a surface with boom sound, at 104.3. But without that, I would say it's third in line with in terms of decibel ranking. In terms of sound, I think it sounds really good. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus has really good audio, crisp and clear. You get to hear it and enjoy it. It's got Dolby Atmos for gaming as well. So as a gamer, you're getting some very rich, robust sound as well. But you guys might not agree with me, so let me know what you think about it. I think it sounds just as good as the Galaxy S10 Plus, just not as loud as the S10 Plus.